Hey y'all, and thanks for stopping by Design by Kathy. Today I'm going to do a pour on a 20 by 20 canvas. It's going to be a pretty basic pour. And I'm going to use the Unicorn Art silicone in only one of the colors that I'm going to be using. So anyway, it's going to be pretty interesting what kind of cell creation we get just from a few drops in one color. So let's get right to pouring. So I'm using a 20 by 20 canvas. This poor canvas got some splatters on it one day from a spin, so we're going to cover those up. But anyway, I'm going to be using, I've got, this is actually called Teddy Bear Tan. And then I have burnt Sienna, burnt Umber, and Phthalo Green. And those are the colors I'm going to be using. I'm going to do a flip cup and drag. So each of these I have mixed with, I've got a little mixture of Floetrol that is 80% Floetrol, 20% water. And I have mixed those with each of these paints until I get a nice steady stream, just like so, coming off of my stir stick. And after you mix them, mix them a little ahead of time. Mix your paints a little ahead of time, and then always go back and stir them one more time. Make sure everything has dissolved in it. There's no, you still might get some. Because sometimes the Floetrol itself will have some little clumpy things, but, just stir one more time before you use it, just to test and make sure everything is thoroughly mixed. So, let's see. I'm hoping I have enough paint here. I do not like to overshoot, but I really don't like to undershoot either. So let's just see what we can get out of this. I'm going to use a little of this in with my layers. I always try to bank it off of the side of the cup. That way it just folds in. I hope that you can see that, like this. Okay. Now, because of the size of this, I'm not going to literally pick it up, so we're going to do just a really, let's see how we can do this. We can, no, I know I can't do it that way with this size. I want to keep the paint, of course. And now I'm going to take the rest of my teddy bear tan I think we need a little more of that tan. So I had plenty more of the teddy bear tan, so I mixed some up. But what I forgot to tell you, I have put some of this unicorn art. This is it's their silicone. I thought it was the unicorn spit, but anyway, it's just unicorn art and silicone. So I put that in the teddy bear tan. So just gently letting out a little bit at a time. Gorgeous colors. Okay, if I had 2 more arms, this would be so much easier to do. But, and it's not that it's making it that much, you know, yeah, it's harder the size, but it's, I want to try to keep as, I want to try to keep as much of it in the frame as possible. Oh, I like the colors. I hope you guys do. There's gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Wow. And I love that. Look at all the sales just from putting silicone in that one color. We got a lot going on. And I have a giant mess. Tossing paint everywhere. Okay, so let's get the torch and see what other bubbles and cells we can pop out of there. Okay, I really, really love these colors. And man, I wasn't expecting the sales to pop up quite that much. That's just awesome. Just a tiny bit in that one color. And look what we're popping up here. This is beautiful. And I love the color combination. I'll have that down below. So don't forget to check the links. And if you're a subscriber and you've popped in, thank you so much. I certainly do appreciate you watching. If you're new to Design by Kathy, I hope that you will subscribe as well. I'll appreciate it very much. And don't forget to comment, share, and those ever wanted, desired thumbs up. So anyway, this was very easy, as you saw. It's just flip, drag it across, and then stretch. But look what we got from that. So anyway, until next time, you all have a great day.